Hi folks, welcome back to today's challenge. Without any further ado, hop on your mat because today for 5 minutes we are going to do non-stop Surya Namaskar A. So starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Starting off in front of your mat, both feet are together, legs straight, open chest, and start to catch up with your breathing. And once you're ready, starting with Surya Namaskar A. Ekam, inhale, rise up hands, look at your thumbs. Dve, exhale, forward bend. Three, inhale, head up. Chatwari, step or jump back. Exhale. Pancha, inhale up. Chat, exhale. Staying here, breathe deep. Count to 5, staying downward dog. Let your breathing be deep and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sapta, step or jump forward. Inhale, head up. Ashtanga, exhale. Nama, inhale up. Dasha, exhale. Ekam, inhale up. Dve, exhale. Trini, inhale, head up. Chatwari, exhale. Pancha, inhale, lift up. Shat, exhale. Breathe deep here. Try to keep the knees as straight as possible. It does not matter if your heels not able to reach down on the floor. That's not a problem. But you're trying to keep your knees straight. Let your hamstring get full, nice stretch. And breathe swiftly, slowly. 3, 4, 5. Sapta, look forward. Try to hop between your hands. Inhale, head up. Ashtanga, exhale. Nama, inhale. Exhale, Samasti. Let's do it again. Ekam, inhale. Dve, exhale. Trini, inhale, head up. Chatwari, step or chin back. Exhale. Pancha, inhale, lift up. Shat, exhale. Breathe deep, staying here. 1, let your back nicely get stretched. 2, 3, 4, 5. Sapta, step or jump forward. Inhale, head up. Ashtanga, exhale. Nama, inhale, rise up hands. Look at your thumbs. Exhale, Samastiti. Ekam, inhale. Dve, exhale, non-stop. Trini, inhale. Chatwari, step back. Exhale. Pancha up. Shat, exhale. Breathe slowly and deeply. Challenge yourself. Push yourself. 3, 4, 5. Sapta, step or jump forward. Inhale, head up. Ashtanga down. Nama, inhale, lift up. Exhale, Samastiti. Second last. Ekam, inhale, lift up your hands. Dve, exhale. Trini, inhale, head up. Chatwari, step or jump back. Exhale. Pancha up. Shat, exhale. Catch up with your breathing. Breathe deep and slowly. 2. Spread your fingers wide. Notice your breath. Notice your heart beating. 3, 4, 5. Sapta, step or jump forward. Inhale, head up. Ashtanga, exhale. Nama, inhale. Okay folks, last but not the least, this time we are going to do it a little bit slow. So, once you're ready, Ekam, inhale, rise up hands, join your palms. Dve, exhale. Three, inhale. Chatwari, step back, holding the breath. If you need to, knee down, otherwise straight, exhale. Pancha, inhale, rise up, open chest, knees off the ground. Shut, exhale, try to push the hips up. See how the toes are rotating. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sapta, step or jump forward, please. Inhale, head up. Ashtanga, exhale, almost there. Nama, inhale, rise up. Dasha, exhale. Saraswati. Congratulations, folks. You have done really well. If you haven't followed up with our previous challenges, I would highly recommend that, because you will build up strength, you will build up this agility and power with your breath. If you are following up, congratulations, because you definitely are getting better. If you are getting better, let me know in the comment section, because that will help me to get more in tune and bring challenges which are meaningful to you. Keep repeating, enjoy. I will see you next time. Until then, bye.